real life, karma is really a bitch. If you see when this guy they use me, they do caricature back then, you will think maybe there is one responsible, one decent, one respectful, one faithful and loyal woman this man want to get married to. You will think he's one, oh, if I say make I use the queen of everybody queens. I was thinking this man want to get married to somebody that when you see, you go no say kaki no be later. See your life. See your shame and disgrace. See your life. That they pack you like Pekin. They no carry, they pack you like Pekin. When you were doing your friend, you are not loyal. I can never in my life. I bet me when I may watch this video.
Come back there. See, instead of me marrying someone like you, I swear to God, you can make a woman.
Instead of make a marry someone like you, who asked you to marry somebody like me before? The one I go marry go worst past me.
So let's negotiate. How much can I pay you guys?
I told them let me give her 5 million naira.
They will give you 5 million naira. They will give you 5 million naira.
I told them let me give her 5 million naira.
Even 15 million naira will not take. Will not.
Never marry somebody like me. Now, which one you marry? I won't see. Untouchable. I say which one you marry? Me, I won't see. See, instead of make you chase them, they won't chase you. Come out. You never.